Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a FAB bank account online. So in order to do it, we will have to come on the official website of bankfab.com. So over here, you need to click on the personal option, and once you click on the bank accounts option, you will be landed on this page where you will see the list of all of the banks that this particular bank offers. So here you will see all of the current accounts, savings accounts, and if you scroll down a bit, you will see much more information about it. So you need to select the personal savings account and click on it. Now once you are on this page, you just have to simply scroll down a bit and just take a look at the features of this particular account. Now once you are done with it, you need to click on the apply now option, and then it will give you a bunch of different instructions in order to open your personal account here. So click on the option of explore mobile banking. So basically you will have to download and install the FAB mobile banking app, and then you will have to create your account there. So you will have to follow further instructions, provide your personal details and some of your other information in order to submit your application for opening an account on FAB bank online. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.